welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're not, thank you for returning to my channel. Okay, I'm trying to be really consistent during this period, so I'm just trying to do as much videos as I can. So because today is Easter, happy Easter guys. I decided to make a cook with me video because I'm going to be making some pepper soup and also jollof rice and chicken. So if you guys like this video, let me know in the comment section below. If you try out any of the recipes, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, and let's get to cooking. I have my chicken here and it has been washed and diced because I want to share that into two since we're making jollof rice and pepper soup. I also have my diced tomatoes, and usually if I was back home I would use fresh tomatoes, but I couldn't be bothered, so I just got diced tomatoes. And you want this to be red, so you either use bell peppers or tomato paste, but because the lines were long and I couldn't really get any, so this is just going to have to work. And I know people are going to be like, oh, it's not the same, it doesn't look the same color. I know, sis, I know. I'm just using what I have to get what I want. The next thing we have is the onions, and if you don't like onions, you don't have to use onions. I just like a lot of onions in my food. My spices for my jollof rice chicken, I'm going to add some thyme, curry, pepper, ginger and garlic. I'm just using the powdered one because I didn't have the strength to start dicing any fresh one. Some salt and a seasoning cube. How you season your chicken for your pepper soup is going to be slightly different. For this, I'm going to be adding salt, some pepper, and you add pepper according to how much heat you can handle. I'm adding some powdered ginger because I feel like ginger gives it a little bit more, like it makes the heat more evident. Also going to be adding some seasoning cubes and onions to both of them. While you wait for your chicken to boil, you want to blend all the things you want to blend. So your tomatoes, I'm just bringing out some of the spices I need to add to my pepper soup, which is my uda seeds that I have to pound. For this, I feel like you can't make pepper soup without this because it brings out the taste. Also, you want to add some crayfish to your pepper soup mix. You want to add some uda seeds. Like I said, it brings out the taste. And then you want to add some utazi. This is bitter, so mind how you add it into your mixture. And also I'm going to add some more pepper because, you know, I love pepper. I like a lot of heat. And then that is done. Now that the pepper soup is done, it's time to face the jollof rice. And for this, I will just be taking out the chicken that was boiling because I want to fry this. And I'll be adding some oil to the pot, frying the chicken, and once it's done, I will add thyme, onions, curry, ginger and garlic, and the tomato puree that I blended. Now that you've added all of that, you're going to let your tomatoes fry. Yes, I said fry, not burn, please. I said fry. So you're going to let that fry. To add a little bit of my chicken stock into it, the chicken we boiled at the beginning. We're going to add the stock of that, and I'm going to add some seasoning cube to give it a little bit of taste. You want to be careful with how you spice your stew because your chicken stock is spicy as well. Remember, now that your stew is done, you want to take out some of that stew and put it in a container, and then you also want to parboil some rice. The reason why you're taking out the stew is because you want to add in that rice little by little. So you're just going to add your parboiled rice into the stew mixture little by little, and then you stir, and then you add some more stew, and then you add in some more rice, and then you stir as you go along. Now that you're done adding in all your rice, you want to add your chicken stock, because remember, your rice isn't completely boiled, it is just parboiled. So also with that, you want to add some spices. I'm just adding some jollof rice spice. I'm also adding bay leaf, a seasoning cube, and salt. Well, and also pepper, because I like a lot of pepper. Like I said, it depends on what you can handle. Got to say, I added some nutmeg to the rice because if we can't have the color, we're going to at least have the taste. I just like the smell and the flavor that the nutmeg gives to the rice. And I'm going to also foil up my pot because I want that heat to completely cook the rice. And I also want to have that smoky jollof rice, patty jollof rice taste. So, and then I'm going to cover that and let it boil for a while and add some more spices if needed. Like you see, I added some more pepper and some more seasoning cube. I like a lot of pepper. You don't have to add that much pepper. Lastly, I added my fried chicken to the rice and I just covered that up to let it steam a little bit. And this is what we ended up with. This is how the jollof rice looked like, and this is how the pepper soup looked like. And that's it, guys. If you like this type of content, please let me know in the comment section below. If you try out this recipe, please let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you guys so much. See you all in my next video. Bye, guys.